Hey beauty, so for today's video I'm going to be reviewing a new Sephora favorites. Now this is all highlighters, so if you love highlighters or if you know somebody that loves highlighters, you would love to gift this to them. This is the Sephora favorites Glow for It bright ideas for highlighting. I tried so many highlighters but never like any of these here, so I thought it was amazing to do swatches and show you what kind of highlighters they are. You have liquid, you have a stick, you have cream. So what do we get here? Artiste Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, Benefit Cosmetics High Beam Highlighter, Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Moonlight. I have reviewed one of these for you, but it wasn't in Moonlight. I think it was Mirage. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mini Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick in Starstruck. You get the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick, right? And you also get this beautiful like holographic bag, so that is so cute. So you open up this bag, all 5 highlighters are here, and that's what the bag looks like inside. So it just has like these papers. It looks really cute. First swatch that I'm gonna do is for this Milk Makeup highlighter, and for this one you're getting 0.2 ounces, and again this is the luminous blur stick. For this one you just twist it up here and you just remove this. A little bit came out. I'm just gonna swatch it here. Wow, this one is not like in your face at all. There's no like glitter there, so if you want something that's not too intense, this would be the one. So we're gonna do the Fenty Beauty one. The packaging is so pretty, look at that. So it just says Fenty Beauty and the FB here. This one is the matchstick and this is Starstruck, and you get 0.1 ounce. Both of these are good for like 12 months after they're opened. So this is what the Fenty Beauty one looks like. So it looks like a rosy color, not gold. Alright, so I'm just gonna swatch this. Alright, so as you can see, this one you definitely can see more. This is a rosy tone, where this one you could barely see. Basically it looks like my skin tone, exactly like my skin tone. Oh my god, I just choked so bad. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty. I really like that one. There's no like glitters, which I love. Both of those are like a cream consistency, and then here is the Cover FX Custom. Sorry if my hands are dirty. I was just doing a makeup tutorial on this look, so that's why my hands are dirty, but ignore that. So we have the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the color Moonlight. So you get a dropper here, as you can see. They have these in many different colors, and I'm just gonna put a drop here like this, and we're just gonna kind of blend it so you can see. Ooh, that is so pretty. You see, the one that you could barely see is the Milk Makeup, then this is the Fenty Beauty, and you have this one. It's like a, I wouldn't say like a gold, but it's not too pink. It's just like a, I would say champagne. It's so beautiful, and we could obviously try to make it more intense so you can see. You see, so I just, ooh, ooh, wow, my god, look at that. Do you see that? That's crazy. I can't wait to try this in like a tutorial. Wow. Every time I swatch one, I'm like, oh, that's my favorite, that's my favorite. Next one here is the High Beam from Benefit. Alright, so this is like a very, very loved one from Benefit. So this one just comes, it looks like like a nail polish. That's basically what this one looks like from Benefit, the High Beam one. So all of them I say are more towards like the pinky. This one as well, as you see, that looks pretty pink. I'm just gonna blend it out a little so you see. Alright, that's the Benefit one. I'll try to make it more intense. People like die for this one. The one I died from Benefit is the WhatsApp highlighter. Oh my god, I die for that. That one is like my favorite highlighters, but I think this is gonna be my favorite highlighter, this Cover FX one. And the last one we have here is our only powder, and this is by Artiste Couture. This is so tiny but so cute. I've never tried anything from this brand, and this again is an Illuminati. I really don't like loose things because they're so messy, but if this is blinding, I'm gonna love it. So that's what it looks like there. This one definitely looks like shimmer. One gold, this is your gold, and you have to like sparkle too, because this is with sparkle. This is in the color Illuminati. So I'm trying to put a nice amount. Just look at that. So let's do this one more time. Milk makeup, which you can't even see, but yes, the milk makeup is there. Maybe in a darker skin tone it'll appear more, but if you want something really subtle, this is the one. Fenty Beauty, which is really nice. That's like a rosy. Then you have here the Cover FX, which, oh my god, look at that. Like, then you have the Benefit High Beam and the Artiste Couture and Illuminati powder. If you liked most of these, then I think it's definitely worth the price, because just one of these alone will cost you like more than this set. So I love Sephora favorites, and if you want to see everything I got from Sephora, I got like a lot of value sets, holiday edition makeup, great for like stocking stuffers or yourself. I'll leave it at the end of this video and you can go check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.